Welcome back to Bayview, Kenworth, where we're doing a weekly series on the upcoming build of our new dealership here in Moncton, New Brunswick. Let's check out today's video and see the progress right here at Bayview, Kenworth, Moncton location.
So we aim to open sometime in March of 2024. We're now accepting resumes for various positions. Who wouldn't want to work in this beautiful new dealership?
Thanks for checking out today's video. Make sure you come back next week for another update, and we can't wait to see you all here at our Moncton location of our brand new dealership at Bayview, Kenworth, Moncton location.